Good morning, everybody. It's Eva from Bohemian Crafting here again. Today it's very quickly share, and I, in the end of this video, you will know if I failed or if I made something what was successful. I had request to make a journal for normal man, not crafter, who is not at all in our journals. Something for a manager who likes to bicycles and who loves his family. And I've got around me three another not finished journals because I started and then I went to my boys to ask them if what they think, and it always too much. It wasn't for men, so this is what I create. And they said that this looked finally something for a man. Hopefully I had to add this one because it was so plain. So I hope it's very plain creation, really. Very simple, super simple. This is just a decorated cover for 2019 calendar. I can't show you more because I made pockets from photographies, and it can be changed. It can be slide out. So here can be at a new calendar next year. Here is just because he likes bicycles, I add that. This one I have to add there something. I made just a very simple holder for photographies. Here is large space for photography. This can be open, and again with that bicycles and the bicycling theme. It's from Tim Holtz Papers. And here is pocket for photography. So here is one large pocket, so many photographies can be put there, and here is like a frame. And when we open it, sorry for my hands, I just finished that, so I have to go to change my clothes and go to run. And as you can see, it's very simple. Here I create a very large pocket, and I add there because he likes sometimes when he needs to relax, he likes draw pictures, so I add there oil pastels. And here it's sliding pocket for drawing notebook. So this is very simple creation, really very super simple creation. And I know I will, if it will be up to me, I will add there a lot of more, but my sons told me, Mom, you have to think that this is normal man, this is manager, and he will probably more appreciate something simple what he will use every day, if you want to use that every day. And of course I want him to use it every day, so I will add there loads of more, but this time I'm gonna listen my boys because they are normal. They are not crazy like me. So right now I'm going to change my clothes because here is nothing else what I can show you. I add few washi tapes. It's, you know, it's my feeling. Here I add the label memories. It's nothing else what I can show you because it's really very simple. I will stop this camera, and when I will come back I will tell you if it was successful or not. So bear with me, I will be right back. And just quick view how that cover looks like. It's really very simple. This is the back side. If you will ever use leather for your covers, once you will glue it down, and if you don't want to do any stitching around, the best way, glue it properly, let it dry, and then what you can do around those edges to make it more, I can't find it now. Ooh. You need to use sanding block and sand all these edges. It will make it more finished. Sand all these edges with sand block. I will find it when I will come back. I have to run now. Hi, I'm back. The person who will give this journal to the man who is celebrating birthday got that journal, and she was quite happy. So I hope that final receiver, the man will be happy as well. I will probably let you know if I was successful. This is that sunblock for which I used for sanding edges of my journal. Sorry for that mess. You got my coffee here, yay! So this is that sunblock, and when I glued the leather with that those paper layers together, I let it dry, and then you know, if you will imagine here, it's leather. I don't have around me now any piece, but here, this I will glue leather on it, then we'll let it dry, and then I went really hardly on all those edges with this sanding block. But you have to let it dry properly. So, and it makes really beautiful edges. And then you can use some distress ink to make beautiful tones of that edge. It looks finished. So this is just my small sharing today. I hope I didn't disappoint you, that it's nothing too much. It was quite a challenge to make something for a man who is not crafter. He got that artistic feeling. He likes drawing, but you know, he's not crafter like we are. So that was quite a challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've got a wonderful week, and see you next time. Bye.